Hey guys, how's it going? So, in this video here, I just got myself a free lawnmower off the side of the road. It is a Toro with the Briggs & Stratton Quantum 190cc engine with ready start. Let's see here. This was what the sign said, or this was what was left on it. Free, needs some work. But I took a close look at it before I took it, and I checked the crankshaft, and it didn't seem like it was bent. But you can see here the mower's in decent shape, although I didn't get a bag or side discharge with it, but that's okay. And if I just take, you can see here the deck's in okay shape, or the underneath. And the spark plug looks new, so I'm assuming it's a probably dirty carburetor, or maybe some water got into the carburetor. So we'll see how it comes out. So what I'll do is, since there's no gas in it, as you can see, I'll put a squirt of gas in, and I'll spray a little bit of carb cleaner inside there to see what's going on. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop the air filter off real quick, see what that looks like. Oh wow, that actually looks brand new. So maybe the owners tried to fix it but had no luck. So let's see what we can do here. Just spray a little bit down there. Alright guys, so I guess there's nothing wrong with it, because I started and it started first pull. So yeah, but I did check the oil, and as you can see there, it looks like it could use a change, so I might put that in this video. But overall, this mower's in pretty nice shape. I could probably make a little bit of money off this. And I know brand new, these lawnmowers are not very cheap. So yeah. Alright, so here's a closer look of the under deck. Alright, here's a closer look of the underneath the deck. So you can see there's a little bit of grass buildup here. And the blade is pretty dull actually. So I'll definitely sharpen that. Now, one thing I did notice when I started it was vibrating quite a bit, so I'm assuming that means the blade's unbalanced. I don't know, but hopefully that's what the problem is. But anyway, I'll just go here and try and clean out some of this. Yeah, you can see there. Obviously, the correct tool for this would be a putty knife, or a paint scraper, but yeah, this is just what I got on hand at the moment. Yeah. Deck's not that bad under here. It is a little bit rusty, but not terrible. I've seen worse. Oh, that's for the washout port where you can connect the garden hose to it. Alright, so now I'm gonna change the oil. So here's my setup. So I have an oil pan here and a pizza box, just to catch any oil. And what I'm going to be doing here today to change the oil is I'm going to take the dipstick off and I'm going to tilt it, just because I did look underneath of this engine and I could not find a drain plug. I looked for a few minutes and yeah, there was just no drain plug, which is unusual because these Quantum engines, you typically have a drain plug on the bottom, but this one here does not for some reason. So let's get started. Alright, so I'll let that drain for a little while and then we'll add our new oil. Alright, so I have now drained out all the oil in this mower. So now we will add some. I'm gonna wipe away the excess oil that ended up getting on the deck, or the shroud. A little bit of oil got down here too. Alright, so here's the oil I'm using today. I am using SAE 10W40 oil made by Pennzoil. Alright, so now let's start it up and see how it runs. Alright guys, so that was the easy fix. Just change the oil and runs perfectly, and it's in really good condition too, so I'll just power wash it in the spring, little detail for retail, and put it up for sale. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.